Ever heard of this saying? Once the boss orders you to drive 4 hours to bring him back to the company stand. No matter how fast you are, there will always be a car which indicates to overtake you. This car is the boss's favorite GL8. Over 2 million such cars, and released 8 golden rules of the MPV have been sold out. Now that's marketed GL8 ES hybrid version. It's not just powerful, but fuel efficient. The hybrid system along with the fridge, the TV set and the sofa, but they are not my point today. Let me show you the key reason why GL8 has been called the elder brother of the MPVs for so many years. Let's go. A good MPV needs to do 2 things well. First, comfort. Second, car sickness proving. There's no need to prove how comfortable GL8 is due to its long-term fame. Definitely the big shot in the industry. Car sickness proving. I pay more attention to it than the others because my grandma is prone to be carsick. Why does one get carsick? During the driving, the car's movements on every direction generate a relatively large G value, so the people with sensitive vestibular organs will become carsick. The second is its smell. The smell of gas and uncomfortable leather may also worsen the car sickness. About the 2 matters, the new hybrid GL8 does a good work. There are some good ideas. Let me explain it. First, its suspension's springs, stiffness, and coefficient and shock are not just adjustable, but its middle and front sections are soft, which reduce many slight vibrations. The resilience of the support of its back section is quite ideal. When you drive on a long bumpy road or a road with high force, the car may hold it instead of working softly, as if it were a litter. So GL8 does it so well. Meanwhile, its new drive system has electric motors, so it can accelerate the car before the turbocharged engine could begin to offer more power. Its gas and electric throttles are all very linear. The brake is soft. One more interesting thing about this car is its damping-reducing seat. It can gradually clear up the tiny vibrations from the frame of the car. The second is its smell. Whether the plastic and wooden parts of the central console or the leather on the seats are all made of eco-friendly and odorless materials. What's more, the ventilation system is so powerful and has an iron UF mode. Three-hit GL8 is also known for its quietness and comfort for decades. The wind noise and the tire noise are efficiently reduced. Especially when you're on the highway, the bars will no longer be a problem. So many years passed, on soundproofing, noise reducing, the brake feeling comfort, and car sickness proving, GL8 is still the number 1. If I give you 400,000, which MPV will you pick?